Continue. Corals. Definition: coral reef and formation types. Coral reef is a ridge of mound like a biogenic structure in tropical seas and composed of largely calcium carbonate and built almost exclusively by a reef. So, coral reef, corals, coral reef and corals. Coral colonies grow continuously in size of body of polyp up from the extensive masses known as the coral reef. According to Wagon, a coral reef is a mound on limestone, the upper surface of which is near the surface of sea and which is formed chiefly calcium carbonate secreted by coral polyp. Principal builder of coral reef is are stony corals. Reef building and corals require warm and shallow waters, normally above the 20 Celsius Pacific and northeast and Australian is called the coral sea. Biomass of coral reef. Biomes is the recognizable subdivision of the terrestrial of aquatic ecosystem, including the total assemblage of plant and animal life and their interaction within the life uh, layer. So, coral reef biome, including includes the reef, mm, building corals and other organisms as well as their ecological interaction within coral reef biomes. Coral reef biomes. So corals are solitary and polyploid and cylindrical living in the secreted skeleton formed by calcium carbonate deposit of their own. Some of coral grow into massive solid structures. Other forms are large branched colonies of corals formed by generally hydrozoan polyps are um, trade and pepper, which they call the millipore. Most of corals belong to the classes Anthozoa and a few hydrozoan corals and rich and polyp is called the corallets. So, reef building in coral, other organisms, Mandriforian stony corals, Mandriforian important and corals and Austrian and uh, Flabellum FIV. Preforator and coral properties and Mandrifora and Mantifora, Acrophora, etc. So other corals, millifores and the much falsified uh, alcanaries and like a fungi, the grow Gorgonians also recorded from the beds of Caribbean West. West Indian region. 8 molluscan cells and skeletal of the uh, foraminifera shells, protozoa, sponges, sea anemones, and flatworms, shrimps, crabs, lobsters, and octopuses and squads. Some snails and bivalve starfishes, sea urchins, sea cucumbers, and tunicates, and turtles, sea snakes, and many reef fishes, and include the sharks, eels, and rays form an important constituent of the coral reefs. Different kind of fishes, turtles, and Longos and corals fungi in the Gulf manner of the has recorded different kind of fishes, such a butterfly fishes and Pterodon, parrot fishes and sucker fishes, squirrel fishes, halothus and snapper. So regarded the heel, unadult gymnothoracic factors, gymnothoracic factors. The corals are produced by the two classes and cylindrators. They are the hydrozoan and the zuban. The hydrozoan corals are called the um, hydrocalus among the hydrozoan corals and produced by only a few animals like Millipora and Stylus, Stylastine, Anthozoa corals. Most of the corals are produced by the Anthozoan. Corals are produced by Anthozoan. Uh, Corals are produced by the Anthozoan. So Anthozoan is a mm, different kind of fishes and turtle fishes. So the green turtles and Kiloni Madi turtles, leopard, sea snakes and dangerous and large sea grasses and turtles, sea timbers of exposed low tide and subject to the actocorallium corals. The polyps and corals, polyps with branch and tentacles and corals contain spicules or calcium carbonate actocorallium. Corals are include the and the condition of coral reef formation. Condition of coral reef formation. The reef building thermotropic corals and require the certain the reef question for the formation of coral reef. Temperature: the water must be warm, and the coral reefs require a temperature between 20 Celsius degree to 30 Celsius degree for either grow and best developed in recorded within the range of 25 Celsius degree 20 to 29 Celsius degree, but do not the develop with the temperature fall below 18 Celsius degree. So the major coral reef and confined to the tropical and subtropical water between the 30 north and 30 Celsius degree 30 north and south latitudes. Generally, the corals do not thrive above the temperature of 30 Celsius degree, but few reefs in Arabian Sea regularly encounter above the temperature of 30 Celsius degrees in summer and below 18 Celsius degree in winter. Depth of sea. Depth of sea. The sea of depth in sea is an important factor of the growth and coral reef. The coral reef will grow in a relatively shallow water. Of the depth is related to the entry of sunlight for the photosynthesis. Russells and Young. and Young 1963 reported that corals could grow outwards as a for as 30 fathoms, 1 fathom equal to 180 feet. So, and below this depth line it lies in sufficient for the proper nutrition of their associated plants. It has been reported that reef building a coral grow ranging to depth of 60 m. Sunlight. The sunlight is also very much essential and required for the photosynthesis of symbiotic zooxanthella. The Symbodium micro medium present is endoderm of the reef building cnidarians. They are not found in non-reef building corals such as a dendrophilia. Dendrophilia. They are also found in the millifora and tubifora and heliophora. Heliophora. They also help to secrete skeletons, limestone or calcium carbonate and contribute to the formation of reef structure. It has been shown the experiment that this reef failed to grow in sandy place and may die if kept in total darkness. Clear water. The water must be clear with permits the penetration, penetration of sufficient sunlight related to the photosynthesis of zooxanthella, symbiotic algae, and also their macroalgae which are the present present in in the coral reefs. Uh, One species Porites and Limosa lives in muddy conditions. Suspended particles of sedimentation. Suspended particles of sedimentation. The continuously sedimented, such as slip and sewage and industrial disposal, which they increase the turbidity of water, reduce the light, thereby inhibiting the photosynthesis by the symbiotic brown algae. Corals can grow only in shallow, clear water. Free form the suspended particles slip can black the mouth of coral and prevent the feeding. The major river which they carry the slip and disposal prevented the process of the photosynthesis. So corals are not found in the mm, detailed area. The corals are not found also in the eastern part of the India due to presence of several algae rivers such as Gangas, um, Sub and Mahamandi, etc. Water turbidity inhibit active coral growth along the east coast of South American and cold water currents the preform the similar takes west coast of Africa. Salinity. The reef can grow with the specific salinity. They can tolerate salinities between the 30 and 40 ppb, but one species, Mandrifora, um, Cribifora, inhabit nearly fresh water. nutrient. They thrive in areas which are poor and in nutrients because algae amount of nutrients such as a plankton and mega algae, some other the corals and blanking out the lights. Perceptions perceptions of calcium. Perceptions uh, participants of calcium. Participant Participation of calcium from farming seawater is necessary to form the skeleton of coral polyps. This participation occurs the water counts of pH and salinity and high and calcium carbon dioxide and concentration is low. Wave and currents. The coral reef can thrive in reduced waves, but the absence of waves and current helps in the accumulate the slip in the muddy patches that can suffocate the coral. Fossil coral reefs and geologic geologic phase. The more than 60-year fossil coral species have been recorded in different oceans or include under the extinct existing order Mandricorian and the extinct order Rugosa and tablet and corals and ro- uh, Ragos corals formed reef during the pelagic area, but they were replaced Mandricorian corals during the Cenozoic era. The reef building species did not become mm, permanent until the Mesozoic, and great diversity was probably attained during the mm, Cretaceous period. Cretaceous period. Tabulate corals are characterized by the well-developed the tabulae ridges and spines is also tube-like inlets group of represented by the Centrigophora and Heliostoles. The reef and building corals and a much wider geographical distributions and compared with the present wide distribution. Their fossil highway recorded in the temperate and even polar region. Type of corals on the mm, basis of structure, underlining the substratum Charles Darwin, mm, Charles Darwin, Charles Darwin classified the two types of corals reef following are as a freezing reef and shore reef, barrier reef and atoll reef. Freezing reef. Hmm? Freezing reef. The freezing reef, a shore reef, and is extended from the seashore and seaward directly surrounded the seashores of tropical Iceland or maybe stretched of the continental coastline. It extends from the coast a few meters, 400 meters, and branch as a platform of take and counter of the shore. The freezing reef consists of mainly three regions, namely reef front or core reef slope, second one reef crest and The back reef and sometimes and referred to as the reef lagoon or reef flat area. Those seaward and side of the freezing reef has a reef edge called as a reef front or core mm, reef slope where the most active coral growth occurs. The coral growing the areas represented a narrow belt-like a structure and is about 20 to 40 mm wide, subject to continuous suffer and below. To this zone is usually a lot of dead corals, uh, coral stubble and sand. The reef front varies from the gentle to steep. In some reefs, the lower part of the reef's front is nearly vertical and is called the dropper. The reef front is often interrupted races and shells and sand segments will collect in the this. At the upper part of the reef front and those is and at the upper part of the reef front and there is an emergent portion called reef crest. The seaward side of the reef crest and take the brunt of the wave action. The reef can reduce the wave action up to 97 and the rest of the waves break across the reef crest. Between the reef crest and the shore there lies and more or less a flat area often mm, eroded uncovered at low tide. A called back a reef area or reef a flat area. The back reef area or reef flat area is shallow and is the usually 50 to 100 meters or more though it may be few kilometers. It may be few kilometers. A sediment rubble coral mass reef fragments fragment of carved off by the break areas of the dumped behind the crest and widen the back reef flat. This zone is sometimes called the bulldozer bulldozer zone. The reef flat area remains submerged at high, high tide, but at low tide contain the narrow contain the shallow, narrow, freezing reef and passes coral boat, but not ship. The reef flat and then the shore and freezing reef and descendant into the a lagoon to atoll and barrier reef. It is the simplest and relatively young type of the all reef and common in the tropical seas. It is seen in Gulf of Mannar plant by the in the western part of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The west coast of the Indian freezing reef are seen the northern coast in the Gulf and also include the Ocean Iceland. The other areas of the freezing reef may be maintain the Barbados, Sri Lanka, Eastern Africa coast, Indonesia southeastern coast, and Carco, Iceland, Tango group of South Pacific, Hawaiian Iceland. Barrier Reef. The Barrier Reef resemble the freezing reef, but grow in deep water, nothing reef. It developed around Iceland along the edges of the continental shelf. Is separated by the wide relative deep channels called the lagoon, which is 20 to 100 meters deep, 1 by 2, 10 million wide, mm, millions wide, through which the ships can mm, navigate. Easily navigate. The largest barrier reef, which is lie on the edge of continental shelves up to over 160 kilometer distance from the mainland, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. At the sometimes referred to as the Shelf Barrier Reef, to different differentiate them from the much smaller barrier reef surrounding the Iceland. Like the freezing reef, barrier reef are divided into reef front and reef area, reef crest and back reef area. A flat area containing a lagoon. The place of inner reef of the back reef area is taken by lagoon. Towards the lagoon side of the barrier reef, they grow more Brazilian corals mm, than the outer slopes, which is a descendant a great depth of the hundreds and thousands of fathoms, and tolerate more the violent waves. The lagoon flat is covered by a thin layer of sand and has a intense coral growth. If there is a good circulation of water, there may be mm, the growth of patch reefs. A number of small canals which cut across the barrier reef and cannot a lagoon with a open sea. Through sea canals, fresh and cold water passes into the lagoon. The typical example of the barrier reef is the Great Barrier Reef of the Australian, which is the largest reef in the world, stretching over the 26 kilometers of Queensland, Australia. Another relatively short barrier reef in New um, Canadian Barrier Reef, 100 kilometers, Brahma Barrier Reef between the Andros and NASA. Atoll Reef. The atoll is more or less circular and or shaped coral reef enclosing the central area of water called the lagoon. The lagoon varies from a few hundred meters up to kilometers and diameter and mm, mm, 20 to 90 meters depth. Atoll generally arises first as a finger reef around the violent Iceland. As a um, ocean volcanic vol- volcanic Iceland subsides because of the sea floor. The cities or sea floors are rising. The atoll atoll rests in the summit of the submerged focal node. The a lagoon usually contains the inner Iceland and reef. Atoll is not connected with the mainland and the east separate. Atoll reef may be completed or broken by the number of the canals, of which a few are navigable in between a lagoon outer seas. There is a seawater slope of the outer side of the atoll reef and inner side of the reef descendant as a lagoon slope. The segments of the lagoon floor consist of coral and mud. Atoll is also called as a coral island. Iceland term atoll it is derived from the language in Maldives, where is a district where is a district called atoll. More than 30 atolls are present in Indo-Pacific region as well as atolls the world. Salvage Marshall of the Pacific Ocean, the surrounded lagoon, over 97 kilometers Lakshadweep in Iceland are example of Indian atoll reefs. Terrestrial regarding the coral reef formation. The coral reef formation building the coral obeys certain conditions of coral reef. They do not grow well below 60 meters. They require the optimum temperature. A light may be rise highway put forward explain the formation of coral reef. Darwin and then sub-density theory. The Darwin theory originates from observed variation of Darwin during the remarkable uh, so young the ship and SMH Bengal's nature list and between the 1830-36 theory state the formation freezing reef arises the other types of coral reefs. Increasing reefs and barrier Darwin theory. Uh, Murian solution theory, theory, mm, daily glacial control theory. Uh, distribution of coral reef, geographical. So, and